this is that this is like one cocktail formula.
Right.
Gotcha.
I feel like if you've got the margarita down, you can customize the margarita, change it up in a bunch of ways so that you can entertain like 10 different times. Nobody realizes that you're basically giving them the same drink every time but with a different kind of juice.
Twisting it up.
Just a little twist. So, and this is another thing. I never measure when it comes to margaritas.
Heck no.
Heck no, you just
Take
eyeball
all the
it.
fun out.
Right? So we're gonna mix them in a shaker here. We can also do a pitcher full. So we're gonna have tequila. Now it's basically, somebody said, yeah, somebody's excited about that.
She's like, yes! She's like, yeah, chimichurri. Tequila, yes! Slightly different.
All right, so the basic formula for a margarita is 2 parts tequila to 1 part of orange flavored liqueur. So we'll go glug, 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 glug. That's for 2 of us, right? Just eyeball it. I mean, come on, how bad can you get a margarita wrong, right? You know? Okay, and then, but half as much of the tequila as
Just a little bit on the orange.
Oh, you don't like it orangey?
I love the lime. I like
Oh, you want it limer.
I like limier.
How about just a little splash more? Because I did put a lot of tequila in there.
All right, I did. It's like this much tequila.
All right, a little bit of lime or a lot of lime juice.
Yeah, I like a lot of lime.
Yeah, so basically it's like 1
You
lime
play around,
yeah.
right?
And then do you like simple syrup in yours? Some people do, some people don't.
I don't like it too sweet. Just a bit.
Just a little drop.
Just a little bloop.
Okay, a little bit. Okay, so that's your basic margarita, and you make it to the way you like it, of course, but when you have that down...
Ice these too?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
When you have that down, the thing is, margaritas pair really beautifully with juices, right? So if you've got some fresh orange juice or pineapple juice, grapefruit juice,
I get it.
pomegranate
You make a grapefruit one week, the next week you make a cranberry one.
Exactly.
I get it, a pomegranate. I didn't even ask you if you want salt, but let's put the salt on the food.
Okay, that's good. All right, we're gonna do that, and I'm making an absolute
slices
mess
in here.
obviously.
Who cares?
Who cares?
We'll get most of the tequila in our mouth.
All right. Well, this is gonna be good. Now, is there a juice that you would like to try?
Yes, a little grapefruit.
Grapefruit for you.
A
Okay.
paloma.
A paloma.
I believe that's called.
I'm gonna take a little bit of pineapple juice.
Oh, pineapple ones. That sounds fun.
Oh, this.
See, it's healthy. Look at all of those antioxidants in the fruit juice. Woohoo! I love you. Cheers.